What's going on, everyone? Back at you with another video. This one's gonna be a trailer repair. I'm currently just grinding everything down, making it look good, just so I can tack everything in place and get ready to weld. Alright, so I'm using a 1/8 rod 70/18 for this, and as you can see, I'm tacking and I'm about to weld it all out. Here we go. So I will say that there were quite a few big gaps welding this out. I did clamp it prior to even shooting this, but the clamps really didn't do anything. So there is going to be some times where I'm just passing over on top of each other in order to make it happen and close that gap. Right here, the customer is just kind of seeing how everything is fitting up, checking it all out.
Just checking this right quick.
I'm gonna go ahead and apologize already. My big head was in the way on this. I didn't really have anywhere to put the camera. The wind was blowing today, but next time I know, hey, don't put it right where I'm gonna put my face, but here we are. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It helps a crap ton. Catch y'all in the next one.